Assalamu alaikum class 1. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Open your science books. This is our second lesson. So open your books, page number 3, because last time we ended our lesson here. So we are going to start from here. The topic we are going to start today is we are all human beings. Today we are going to learn about how the human beings having same body parts look different from each other. They look different from each other because they are of different age. For example, the baby look different than boy because baby is of small age while boy has is like 9 to 10 years old. The boy looks different from the man. The man look different from the older man. They all have same body parts. The body parts perform the same function, but even then the human beings look different from each other because they have different ages. So let's start reading. We are all human beings. Boys, girls, men, women and babies all are human beings. Yes, all of them are human beings. Like animals are different from us. They are not human beings, but we are human beings. Our bodies work in the same way, but we all look different. Our bodies have same body parts, but even then we look different from each other. Like girls look different from boys, but they are human beings. Babies look different from older men, but they are human beings. So we can say that we all are human beings. It doesn't matter that how we look, but we all are human beings because we have same bodies. Our bodies work in the same way. But how did it happen? How we look different from each other? Because when we are born, we look like babies. After some time, we look like toddlers. After some time passes, we look like adults, like boy. As we grow older, we change our body type, but we are human beings because we do not change our body parts. We are just growing in size as the time passes by. Let me show you a picture. So this picture shows how the time affects our bodies. First, when we are born, we look like this. Then after some time passes, we look like this. Then we change into this. Then this stage. Then this. Then as we grow older, we change into this. And at the last, we changed into this position. So see, from baby, we are growing to older men. So that's how we look different from each other, but you can see all have same body parts, all have eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, but they are just growing in size. Let's move on to next page now, page number 4, living things. Human beings, plants and animals are all living things. Human beings, plants and animals. Remember the three things: human beings, plants and animals. All are living things. All living things need air to breathe. All living things need air to breathe. Like we are breathing right now in air, we need oxygen, right? We need oxygen to breathe and oxygen is in air. So we can say that we need air to breathe. Without air, we cannot breathe, and without breathing, we will die. All living things need food and water to stay alive and to grow. We need food to grow, right? And we need water to stay alive also. We need food and water. We both need food and water to stay alive and to grow. If you have less food, you will stop growing or you will grow less. But if you have good food, healthy food, and you are taking water, so you will see you are growing good. So we can say that from the above lines, we can say there are two conditions to be a living thing. First, they should need air to breathe, and second, they should need food and water to stay alive, right? So now look at this picture again. Let me remind you, human beings, plants and animals, those three are living things. Look at the picture and see what are living things in this picture. Look at a cat right there, man, boy, there is a man right there, there is a boy also, he is walking dogs, there are ducks. squirrels, sparrows, plants, trees, all of them are living things. Non-living things in this picture are car, skates, clothes, uh, um, bicycle, slides, building. All of them are non-living things because they do not need food and water to live, and they do not need air to breathe. Now let's move on to our exercise, which is related to what we have read right now. I have opened page number 7. Question number is 3, and your question is to tick the living things and cross the non-living things. Let me do 2 for you, and the rest of them will be your homework. The first picture is of a plant. We have read that plants, animals and human beings are living things. So plant is a living thing, so we will do a tick in the box. Next is cat. Cat is also an animal, so it is a living thing, so we will tick in the box. You will do the tortoise. Hat. Tell me, hat. Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? Yes, it is a non-living thing, so we will do a cross in this box. Rest of them will be your homework. Your complete homework is to do reading of page number 3 and 4 half. You are going to start your reading from here, page number 3, here to right there, and then you are going to complete question number 3 from your exercise on page number 7. This is your homework, and tomorrow is going to be your online interactive class, so prepare your reading because I am going to listen reading from all of you. So best of luck for it. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.